Can asphalt roof shingles be painted? Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. That's a very common question, and the honest answer is technically yes, but in most cases, painting asphalt shingles is not recommended. Here is why. First, granules. Paint sticks to the granules on the surface, not to the shingle itself. As shingles age, granules naturally shed, and when that happens, the paint peels right along with them. Second, hidden moisture. Paint creates a relatively rigid film, but asphalt shingles are designed to breathe and move. Paint works against that movement, which can lead to cracking and premature failure. And third, false expectations. Paint may improve the appearance at first, but it doesn't restore flexibility or protect the asphalt underneath. It's mostly cosmetic. So the real issue is not color. The real issue is that paint is simply not designed for asphalt shingles. That's exactly why instead of offering paint, we developed something different. ShinglEx 800 is an acrylic-based asphalt shingle rejuvenator, not a regular paint. It's designed to reduce granule loss and protect shingles, stay flexible and move with them, help create a more uniform appearance, and offer multiple color options as well as clear without a heavy painted look. Most importantly, it's focused on extending roof life, not just changing how the roof looks. That said, it's important to set expectations. This is not a solution for a failing roof. If shingles are curled, missing, severely cracked, or structurally damaged, replacement is the right answer. But if your roof is aging and still structurally sound and you're considering painting, ShinglEx 800 may be a much better alternative. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, feel free to reach out. Bye. Your order is here, ready to ship. Catch it.